Happy Vlogmas! Welcome to another video. Hope you're enjoying Vlogmas because I think it's really fun and it's a nice little challenge for myself to see if I can make 24 videos. But now I got my eye. This video was supposed to just be Cortina D'Ampezzo, but when we went, I just didn't have my camera out that much and I didn't record a lot, so instead it's just a little glimpse of the weekend. First we go to Cortina, which the 1956 Winter Olympics were, and the 2026 Olympics are going to be in Cortina and Milan. How cool is that? We won't be here, but I'm sure some of our friends are gonna be here, and that is pretty neat. There was a little bit of snow up there, hardly any, but it was still really fun. We brought Gunner with us, our little retriever. So we just had some good food, some drinks, and then came back. The second part of the video is Prosecco Road. Whenever we have visitors, we pretty much always take them there because it's just so unique and beautiful. Even the drive is just stunning. I just left in a little glimpse of going shopping at our little local spot, Casa. They have some Christmas things, actually a ton of Christmas things. They have artificial trees and all the decorations. Enjoy the video. Ciao and happy Vlogmas. It's another Vlogmas day and we are in Cortina. It feels kind of like we're the only people here, right?
See.
It's so pretty and they're starting to decorate for Christmas, which is the best holiday ever. Hope you enjoyed this day in Cortina.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning,
and thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas.
singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.